Hi, my name is Stona Marchana, and for my fourth sports med presentation, I did the effects of the plant-based diet. Also known as vegan, the plant-based diet consists entirely of plant-based products, no animal-based products such as meat, dairy, and seafood. This diet is different from what we were taught in school because it supports the argument that humans are better off as herbivores, not omnivores. In the old food pyramid, people were taught exactly what to eat from their four main categories: sugars and oils, meat and dairy, fruit and vegetables, and grains. In the new food plate, people are taught a certain amount of how much from each category they should eat: fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. Typically, when people think of protein, they think of meat or other animal products, when in reality, most of our protein comes from other plant-based products such as vegetables, fruits, nuts, beans, and seeds. Some plant products can even contain a higher source of protein than animal products. In one study, we can see that 100 calories of broccoli contains 11.1 grams of protein, while 100 calories of steak only contains 8 grams of protein. For athletes, the plant-based diet has 6 main benefits: maximizing performance, increasing endurance, gaining muscle and strength, getting and staying lean, optimizing health, and increasing environmental awareness. Athletes on the plant-based diet have reported more power, better stamina, and faster recovery time than those who consume meat. Researchers have also shown that this diet increases blood flow, reduces inflammation, and increases antioxidant counts by 1,572%. Due to new research, we know that hard and long-working muscles run primarily on glycogen, a form of glucose found in plant-based carbohydrates. Glycogen also gives our brain the power that it needs to stay alert and on point during long activities. When people think vegan, they think skinny. This is due to the stereotype that most people believe that we need animal protein to grow big and strong. However, as discussed earlier, we only need protein to grow muscle strength. And protein primarily comes from plant-based products, not animal-based products. Diets that focus primarily on meat, dairy, eggs, and processed foods make it almost impossible to satisfy hunger. Along with this feeling, these foods will also lead to a steady or rapid increase in body fat. With a plant-based diet, you will feel fuller and cleaner without the fat gain. The diet does so by providing a lower caloric density, a leaner protein package, healthy carbohydrates, increased thermogenesis, and improved hormone levels. Global health authorities claim that the leading cause of death worldwide is diet. Over 60% of deaths are due to chronic diseases and conditions where poor diet is the main factor. The Global Burden of Diseases study concludes that the top 4 foods we need to eat more of are fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, and whole grains. The GDBS concluded that roughly 1 in 5 deaths could potentially be saved if we ate more of these unrefined plant foods. Researchers from Oxford claim that the livestock industry uses 83% of the world's farmland, yet only provides 18% of the world's calories. The reason for this is that animals need to eat too, and according to researchers, the livestock farmed for humans consumes 6 times the amount of protein that they produce. Due to their high consumption level, it is said that the livestock sector is the #1 contributor in habitat destruction. Along with habitat, the meat industry uses massive amounts of water to produce their product, a whopping 27% of total water usage. And if that isn't enough, the livestock sector is responsible for a total 15% of global man-made emissions. To put this into perspective, this is equal to the total amount of all transportation emissions produced worldwide. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them now or email me.